Work-based learning, I feel, is one of the most important things you could get out of going to Nassau BOCES, or just any tech school in general.
Working at Security Dodge has definitely made me more advanced in the class here.
Industry partners are very happy to work with our students because they know what they know. And often our industry partners are alumni or have a relationship with alumni. So they know what they've been taught here, they know what the BOCES program is about.
Working on the tire machine and everything, I'm a lot more advanced than most students are with that because I work with one in the field all the time. Also brake jobs. I'm gotten much better at diagnosing.
It's a way for students to be able to use the information they're getting from working in a shop environment and just immediately transmitting it into a real job they could stick around with. When I went to BOCES, I got a work-based learning contract straight out of BOCES. I stayed there until I became a teacher. You could get a job that lasts you a lifetime if you really get lucky and know your stuff, and that's the whole reason we're prepping for that.